Go ahead. That's the elf on the shelf.
Very funny. He's not real.
Yes, he is.
He's not real. He baked it. He's dead.
He's not dead. It's the elf on the shelf. He's Santa's eyes.
He's half dead.
He's not half dead.
My Christmas don't be over.
Not until Christmas Day when Santa comes and gives you presents.
I got behind the TV.
Why is he going behind the TV?
He's trying to snow me.
Okay.